Hello everyone, welcome back to Capsule Pharma News. This is Naveen and you're watching Capsule Pharma News. If you like my videos, please subscribe and share. Let us get into today's news. Into the first news, QS College of Pharmacy is organizing a pharma quiz on topic Pharmacist, a key player in patient education. If you are interested, you can participate in this webinar, and all the participants who score percentage of 50% and above will get a certificate. Coming to the next news, PharmaToon channel is conducting a mock NIPER JEE 2020 exam. If you want to write this mock test, you can register with the link I will provide, and the exam will be on 28th June 2020. Who can appear? The B.Pharm pursuing students and B.Pharm passed out students. Coming to the next news, Vishnu Institute of Pharmaceutical Education and Research is organizing a series of mock tests which include PGCET and NIPER JEE mock test and drug inspector and pharmacist post mock tests. If you want to participate, I will provide the registration link in the description. From there you can register and participate in this mock test. Coming to the next news, Sri Adi Chunchanagari College of Pharmacy is organizing a pharma quiz preparatory GPAD. The subjects are pharmacognosy, pharmaceutical biotechnology and microbiology. Who can participate? Students who are currently pursuing pharma course and schedule. This is going to be held on 25th June 2020, that is on morning 11 am to 12 pm. And how to participate in this quiz, I will provide the quiz link. From there you can participate in this quiz. And the first prize for the quiz is 1500 rupees with winner with certificate, and second prize is 1000 with a certificate, and third prize is 750 Indian rupees with a winner certificates. Coming to the next news, STES Singat College of Pharmacy, Pune is organizing a national live webinar on art of writing research proposals and research paper, and who can attend? All pharma teachers including students from all undergraduation, post-graduation and PhD scholars, and all the successful participants will get e-certificate. That is, they will provide some feedback form. If you fill that feedback form, you will get a e-certificate, and registration is free, but you must register in order to get the e-certificate. I will provide the registration link in the description. From there you can register and participate in this webinar. Coming to the next news, NGSM Institute of Pharmaceutical Sciences, NITI Mangaluru, is delighted to announce an international virtual conference on opportunities and challenges in preclinical drug discovery. This is going to be held on 4th July 2020. Interested one can participate. The registration link is already in the description. From there you can register and participate. This is the news for today. See you in the next video. Until then, keep watching Pharma News.